Meaning of hymnal.
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 Hymnal. A hymnal is a collection of religious songs, typically used in Christian worship services. It contains the lyrics and music notation for hymns that are meant to be sung by a congregation or choir. Hymnals often include a variety of traditional and contemporary songs, as well as seasonal selections for holidays such as Christmas and Easter. Some hymnals also include prayers and liturgical texts. In summary, a hymnal is an important resource for Christians to express their faith through song and participate in communal worship.